Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how I replaced the some electrodes for the distributors, and actually my 68 Baja Bug the engine started to run rough, and also the my Baja Bug has the tachometer, and tachometer needles jumps around. So I thought it's something to do with distributors, and I checked that and I found some problem. So I decided to replace the cap and also rotor and other the condenser and switches. And it was not really that difficult, except for I tried to do that without removing the distributor from the motor. It was a little bit of pain, but not too bad. So this is how it went. So this is 68 Baja Bug, and the engine, I noticed the engine is kind of choppy. Looks like there's a misfire going on, and now it's warmed up a little bit, but you see the tachometer. Actually, it gets noisy, like dips. Yeah, you see that? So, and this also happened that the tachometer, the needle jumps around when I am driving the freeway. So I think something is going on in this spark. I checked the spark plugs. Plugs are fine. So my gut feeling is that the distributor is bad. Look at this. Actually, a moment ago I checked the distributor and I cleaned it a little bit, but there was a black soot on the terminal. So I think this electrode is getting worn down, and there's a gap between that rotating the electrode and this electrode. That's my gut feeling. So I'm thinking about replacing, or I cleaned it, but it goes in the same way. So I think this is the possible cause. So actually I cleaned this terminal before I start the engine, but now I have some black deposit already. So I guess it's the sparking on this terminal rather than the spark plug, and that's the possible cause of this symptom. I hope I'm right. I don't know if I can replace this terminal or this rotating head, or I have to replace the entire distributor. I don't know yet. I gotta go online and check the parts. Okay, so I got these parts. Actually, this is the set sold by J-Bugs. That they call it the upgrade kit, but it doesn't really look like an upgrade. It's everything is a Bosch. In a part, all parts were in the box of Bosch. And these are the parts numbers and the cap and rotor and condenser and the switch. So hopefully it's straightforward to replace these parts. Remove the cap first. It looks like a condenser is just attached to here. Okay, I'm gonna start with the rotor. I hope I can pull it out. Okay, it's easy, huh? Just pull it out. And there is a switch. So I think I'm gonna remove this guy. Okay, there is a screw here. Okay, good. And there's a terminal here. Disconnect. Right now it's out. And I'm gonna reuse this screw. Let's put this guy. New one. I'm gonna clean this a little bit before doing that. So I decided to replace the condenser first before I put this switch. I think this switch is easy, but this condenser is actually it's behind here, and when I checked it, I think it'll be so there is this terminal, and the terminal has this kind of grooves. I think it's gonna go like this. So I pushed this guy into this bracket, and this is a screw. There it looks like it's only one screw, and I feel the same screw here. Looks like it's minus. So I'll try to unscrew this guy. Okay, so I will try to use this. Looks like it's kind of loose, but once it turns, it's hard to access. Okay, now I'm gonna use a bit with, I don't really have the ratchet head, I mean the wrench for the handle for this 1/8, so it's tough, but I hope it's loose enough so that I can just use the finger. Okay, this screw is out. Oh, it's bad, it's just a minus. Okay, now the capacitor is out. That's good. It's really dirty, I gotta clean it. So I looked in my drawers, but I couldn't really find any the hex bolts of M4. This is M4, so I'm gonna just put the same screw back on like this. It's really bad. It's gonna be, again, it's a little bit pain to turn this minus screw with this limited access. So I'm gonna put this thread sealant a little bit. Alright. Try to use this guy. I think I'm gonna take this hose so that I can access better. Now I can access to the screw better. Hope this guy not fast. Okay, I think it's tight. Yeah. A little bit more. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, this is fine. Okay, then I'm gonna put this guy. Okay. Alright. There's a place I think I'm supposed to adjust something. Maybe touches to this. Okay, as close as possible, I guess. Okay. Hopefully I'm doing right. And put this terminal into here. Okay. And now put the new rotor. Okay, then cap. Gonna go. I think it's gonna go this way. Okay, this is the direction. The cap. Okay, so it was like this. Make sure the firing order is correct. Okay. Alright. I think I did it right, except for this guy yet. So I have this green wire goes to the coil green. So I connect it here. Alright, and now I take this out. Turn this guy back. Alright. Okay. Okay, hopefully this is gonna work. So let's turn on the engine. Okay, let's see how it will go. Oops. Yeah, I think it's smooth, much smoother. There's no jumping. Okay, it's actually temperature is low, so it's a little bit unstable, but there's no jumping on the tachmeter. A little bit, huh? I saw some jumping, but now this it goes smooth. So I think I'm gonna the test drive tomorrow, and I think it looks like it's fine. So I'm gonna stop my video here, and if you have the same problem, try to change the distributor electrodes. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.